Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Costco haul, a big one, for the month of October. I haven't been to Costco for a big shopping trip like this in probably close to 2 months, a month and a half. I think, yeah, closer to 2 months. We've gone for a couple of things here and there, but life's been a little bit crazy recently. So we are a day away from Halloween. Today is October 30th, and our kids don't have school tomorrow, so it's basically like Friday night, which makes me so happy. So yeah, let's get into what I got at Costco. Got some Christmas stuff, some Christmas presents, stuff like that. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe and stick around. And if you're interested in the prices, I'll have the prices listed below in the description section of the video. So let's start off with these few things. We got this Orvis throw. We host Christmas Eve every year. And for the adults, we usually do, or sometimes do, like a white elephant gift exchange game. So this year we're going to do that again, and we'll probably set the price to like $40 or $50 per gift. This blanket was like under $30, and so I figured I would also get some chocolates or some like tea and honey, something to pair with it. Maybe some fuzzy socks, just make a little cozy set. So we have one of these in like the red and gray color. We got it last year at Christmas time, and it's one of our favorite throw blankets. Another gift I picked up. So this is the Fantic is the brand. My husband really likes this brand for like drills and things, or I guess a screwdriver, an automatic screwdriver is what he has. So this is the mini chainsaw. And so I thought this would just be convenient for him when he's like pruning trees and doing things like that. I'm sure there's all kinds of other uses he'll find for it. But it was, I want to say like $80 or something. Again, I'll have the price down below. So I thought this would be a great Christmas gift for him. And then I got a couple gallons of 2% milk. Another Christmas item is this Kinder Countdown calendar. So every year we do advent calendars. Each family member has their own, and then we do one like candy one as a family, and we take turns opening it. So this one, let's see what's in it, has, it says 34 deliciously creamy treats. So maybe some days have like more than one item, but yeah, anyway, kind of fun. Looking forward to opening this. We usually get, there's a different chocolate one that we've gotten in the past, so I thought that would be a fun change for this year. Pizza kit. There's 4 crusts in here plus the sauce, and then you just have to include the toppings, and it was like $6 or $7 again for 4 pizzas. Such a good price. Obviously you have to have the toppings, but we already usually have grated cheese on hand, and then all kinds of things we could make a pizza out of. So I figured over the next month or so, we will do a homemade pizza night, but this lasts until February. So at some time in the next few months, we'll certainly eat that for dinner. I got this raisin bread, and I thought this just looked really delicious. I've been eyeing it for months, and finally I was like, you know what, we're just gonna get this. My plan is to have this for breakfast a few times. You can even make like French toast out of it, but thinking just about tomorrow and the kids not having to get up and go to school, I figured I'd make some scrambled eggs and some raisin toast. Sounded cozy. Tonight for dinner, so we're gonna do family movie night. We're gonna watch Hocus Pocus. So we're gonna have some rotisserie chicken, and then we're also gonna have the macaroni and cheese. This is such good macaroni and cheese that they make. And then like a salad kit. So that's dinner tonight. I've never tried this. It also looked really good. White wine mushroom chicken. Again, with the busyness of holidays and just kid activities and all of that, it'll be nice to have some really quick and easy dinners. So this will be a dinner. 2 bottles of these Smarty Pants vitamins. So my kids take these. I don't love the fact that they're covered in sugar, but they don't complain about the taste, and my kids, knock on wood, really don't get sick. Like last year they missed no school days. This year they've had 1 cold each, but they didn't miss any school, so they will keep taking those. Let's see, where do I go from here? So we were out of cereal, so I got some Honey Bunches of Oats. You saw the mac and cheese. We got this Oikos yogurt. This is the 15 grams of protein. It has the 3 kinds, the vanilla, the strawberry, and the triple berry. We are just about out of Ritz crackers, so I wanted to restock those. A case of 15 Poppies. So this set comes with the strawberry lemon, the orange, and the raspberry rose. This is a great alternative to just regular soda. There's only like 4 or 5 grams of sugar per can. I got these Artisan rolls. So I saw Kimberly from the Wads talking about a quick and easy dinner being like pesto with some beef strips on this and like cheese put in the oven on broil. So I figured that'll be a great dinner that we're gonna try out. Cucumbers, this Mediterranean crunch kit. There's 2 of them. We love that salad kit. These Belvita crunchy cookies. These make a really quick breakfast if the boys, like I don't have time to make something for them in the morning. We'll just do like milk and a package of those little cookies. There is a few grams of protein. Sometimes I'll pair it with some sausage for them. Simple Mills crackers. We needed some ground turkey, so this is a 2-pack of organic turkey. We got the Cesar salad kit to go as a side for dinner. Some carrots, frozen broccoli. Love this, just keeping it in the freezer. It makes such an easy side for dinner. It's like 5 minutes in the microwave and you have a vegetable. This is one of our favorite things to get this time of year. So this is the goat cheese with cranberry log. We always go to my dad's house for Thanksgiving, like in Oregon, and he always does appetizers and stuff and typically has this out. So our boys have a fond memory associated with that, but we also get it every year, and we typically eat it when we decorate the outside of our house for Christmas. So we will usually decorate like the weekend before Thanksgiving outside because we'll be in Oregon and we want to have that piece done. And the day that we decorate, I usually do like a big charcuterie and we have some of this cheese. So another cheese we have on that day is this Boursin. We'll go through one of these with crackers, and then the other 2 we just eat through the holiday season at different times. This is really good to make like a pasta sauce if you want an easy sauce. We needed some Z-bars. I got 2 boxes of egg bites for easy breakfast. I got the new Allie Hazelwood book. It's a follow-up to her previous book called Bride. This one's called Mate. I enjoyed Bride, so I got the second one of that. Just, again, quick and easy, pre-made mashed potatoes. It doesn't take any time at all to make regular mashed potatoes, but the convenience factor got me. So I got a 2-pack of that. I love smoked Gouda. It's probably my favorite snacking cheese with red grapes specifically. This will be again for charcuterie and just snacking on. Green beans as a side. This will be sides for a couple of dinners. Sometimes I throw these in a crock pot with like sausage and potatoes with a little bit of oil and some ranch seasoning. Cook it on low while you're at work and you have a delicious dinner when you get home. Or I'll roast these in the oven with like olive oil, some salt and pepper, and it's an easy vegetable. A big pack of chicken breast. Again, there's 6 packs in this guy, so we'll stick those in the freezer. A tri-tip. This is good through, when is this good through? Oh, 11/17, so November 17th. So we'll eat it, again, sometime in the next few weeks before Thanksgiving time. Frosted mini wheats, Costco hasn't had those at my Costco for quite a while. So have that. I got this Chex pack. It's 3 different kinds, wheat, corn, and rice. And during the holiday season, I make like a Chex mix. So I figured I'd get it now while they had it in stock. This is the sliced beef that I was talking about that we'll put on those sandwiches. And we've never tried that before. So happy to give that a try. Dishwasher detergent. We needed some of that. They had eggnog, so I grabbed some eggnog. In our house, as soon as Halloween is over, we start kind of celebrating the holiday season. So we don't skip over Thanksgiving. We incorporate some Christmas music and decorations and stuff into Thanksgiving. So I was thinking we could bust this out this weekend once we're past Halloween. I showed you the tri-tip, a big 5 dozen eggs, a box of eggs, some turkey. I've gotten this in the past. They had some turkey, if you go back and watch my other Costco hauls, that I've been getting regularly for, I don't know, over a year now, but they just don't carry it anymore. So I'm back to this organic one, which is really good. It's just more expensive. But have some turkey. We needed some baby tomatoes. Got some basil pesto for those sandwiches, and I have some tortelloni left. We'll probably have tortelloni with basil or with pesto some night for dinner. I was actually just thinking I might do chicken in the crock pot with like green enchilada sauce, and then use the tortelloni to make like a Mexican themed tortelloni crock pot thing, or take the chicken out with the sauce on it once it cooks, mix it with the tortelloni, and then put it in the oven with some like Mexican cheeses and bake it, maybe with some black beans. That sounds really good. I might try something like that. Butter. We needed some butter. I also got these immunity turmeric shots. They're turmeric and pineapple. There's 10 of them in there. My husband and I just had one this morning with breakfast. I went to Costco after I dropped kids off at school, came home. He picked up breakfast for us, and we had breakfast and coffee. It was delightful. And then we each had one of these, and it's very spicy, but it's supposed to be good for you. It's got lots of vitamin C and probiotics. Sourdough bread. We love making avocado toast and cottage cheese toast, and I realized I did not get cottage cheese. So at some point I'm gonna need to get some cottage cheese. The Carb Balance tortillas, paper plates. Also, these are, what are these? Yogurt probiotic beverages. So we drink these like one a day when we remember, my husband and I and our 2 kiddos. I have a 10 and 7-year-old. I got some Honeycrisp apples. These are my favorite apples out of any kind, but they're usually really expensive. But today they were not expensive because it's apple season. So got a bag of the Honeycrisp. Some Greek yogurt. We use that for everything. Yogurt parfaits. Anywhere we might use sour cream, we'll use yogurt instead. Chicken apple sausages. Costco also had these grass-fed beef sticks. I think these are supposed to be like an alternative to the chomp sticks, which we usually get. So I look forward to trying those. House blend coffee. I know I talk about this a lot, but it's the time of the year where you can get the Thanksgiving blend coffee at Starbucks, and our Starbucks has ordered me a case. So as soon as they get their shipment in, I have a case with my name on it. If you've never tried the Thanksgiving blend Starbucks coffee, you can only get it at the Starbucks stores. It's so good. So we have that coming, but until then, we are just about out of coffee. So I got this house blend to hold us over. We won't go through this before we get that coffee, I'm sure, so I'll stick it in the freezer. Some hummus to go with our carrots and cucumbers. Some half and half, I figured, for cooking over the next month, as well as, or I guess for the next couple weeks. It goes through November 14th. Half and half usually will go a couple days past the expiration date, though. Use it in coffee, too. And then these pepperonis, I'm going to have to freeze some of these. You can't beat the price with Costco. Like, for what you get this 2-pack of just a ton of pepperoni, you'd pay the same for one of those little packs at the regular grocery store. But I figured we could use these for our pizza night, maybe for charcuterie, maybe in like a pasta dish or something. So that's what we got at Costco for the month of November. I hope you guys have a happy Halloween if you celebrate and you're excited about kicking off the holiday season. And again, if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.